Good morning, students. So, beta, we were doing the topic simile. So, we would be continuing with the same. We had completed exercise number A, and now we have to continue with the exercise number B. That is, complete the simile with the words given in the box. Okay, so whatever words are given, we have to complete these similes. So first one is as light as, wait a second, yeah, B1 first, as light as feather. Second, as wise as an owl. Third, as black as coal. Fourth, as cold as ice. Fifth one, as free as a bird. Now please take down the screenshot, students. All of you, please take down the screenshot. Okay, I'm rubbing it off now. Sixth one is as old as the mountain. As old as the mountains. As hard as rock. Eighth, as easy as ABC. Ninth, as white as snow. And the last part of this particular exercise, as crazy as a lunatic. Okay. Now please take down the screenshot, all of you. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, I am rubbing it off now. I am hoping all of you have taken down the screenshot. Now, C exercise. Complete the sentence with suitable similes from the box. Once again, we have to complete the sentence with the with the words, with the similes provided in the box. So first one is, she designed clothes for women, so during the wedding season she becomes dash and work day and night. So the answer to this would be what? C, part 1. As busy as a bee. Second sentence, Asha Bhosle's voice is very sweet. She sings like a nightingale, like a nightingale. Okay. Third one, the news of the bank robbery spread dash throughout the city. Spread like a wild fire, like wildfire. Now, another sentence, fourth one. Though Rahul is lean, he is as strong as an ox. He is as strong as an what? As an ox. Okay, all of you, please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, I'm hoping you all have taken down the screenshot. Now, another sentence. When father asked Ajay whether he had broken the window pane of Mr. Sharma's house, he did not answer and stood there dash. So, what would be the answer? The answer would be, okay, this is the fifth part. The answer would be as silent as a stone. As silent as a stone. Okay. Sixth part. The baby's skin was soft and dash. As smooth as smooth as silk. Okay. Seventh one. Jia is not involved in this mischief. She is dash. She is what? As innocent as a lamb. Now, second last. They were fighting dash in the playground yesterday. So, the answer would be they were fighting as a wait a second. Okay. I'm reading out ninth one and doing the eighth one. So, after recovering from her illness, Jane looked as fresh as a daisy. Okay. Jane looked as fresh as a daisy. Now, please take down the screenshot, all of you. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, I'm rubbing it off now. Last two sentences of this exercise. Ninth one. They were fighting dash in the playground yesterday, like cats and dogs. And the last sentence of this exercise, don't touch the broken glass, it is as sharp as a knife. Okay, now please take down the screenshot. Okay, I'm hoping all of you have taken down the screenshot. So with this we have completed our last chapter in grammar section. Now let's move on to the revision exercise. Okay. Revision. Okay, so the first exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Okay, I have stopped going out dash the time being because I am down with fever. Okay, so the answer for exercise number A, part 1 is for. The sentence is, so the answer would become, I have stopped going out for the time being because I am down with fever. Another sentence, she dropped the plate dash mistake but cleaned the floor later. So the answer is by. So the answer sentence would become, she dropped the plate by mistake but cleaned the floor later. Another sentence, they planned the schedule step dash step. Answer would be by. So the sentence is becoming, they planned the schedule step by step. Another one, fourth one, your habit of reading books on a wide range dash topics will help you dash the long run to acquire more knowledge. So the answer would become of and in. Sentence would become, your habit of reading books on a wide range of topic will help you in the long run to acquire more knowledge. Now the fifth sentence, mother met her school friend dash chance when she went to the chemist shop. So the fifth one is by chance. Okay. Now please take down the screenshot, all of you. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, so I'm wrapping it off now. Another sentence is, we should not comment dash others and be judgmental. So the answer is on. We should not comment on others and be judgmental. Seventh one, they had a discussion dash the current political situation in the country. So they had a discussion on. Okay. Eighth one, the last sentence of this particular exercise. Soma worked dash Wipro for many years. So Soma worked in Wipro for many years. Now please take down the screenshot, all of you. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, so I am rubbing it off now. Another exercise, B exercise, use the following group of words to make sentence of your own. Okay, so this is your homework. You need to make sentences. You need to know how to make sentences. Okay, so C part we would be doing. Complete the following sentence with with ideas of your own. Okay, as soon as we reach the town, C, it started raining. Okay, it started raining. Although the car was new, it didn't run well. Though she is hardworking, she gets tired easily. Okay. Another sentence. The children were told to stay indoors because the weather was bad. Now all of you please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, I'm rubbing it off. I'm rubbing it off. Fifth sentence is the dish will not taste good unless you add salt to it. Okay. Sixth, last sentence of this particular exercise. He paid the mobile bill immediately so that services are not stopped. Now please take down the screenshot. Okay, I'm hoping everyone has taken down the screenshot. So I'm rubbing it off now. D part of the exercise. Join the pairs of sentence given below with the conjunctions given in the bracket. Okay, so we have to add conjunctions here. Grandma wanted to make pickles. The mangoes were not fresh. Okay, so grandma wanted to make pickles, but the mangoes were not fresh. I am writing down the, okay, let me, because you won't be knowing where to add. Grandma wanted to make pickles, but the mangoes were not fresh. Were not fresh. Okay. I hope now you are getting how we have to add conjunctions in these sentences. Now, the teacher praised her. She was very meticulous. So, the teacher praised her because she was very meticulous. Meticulous. Okay. Please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, I'm rubbing it off now. Okay, beta. So we would be continuing with this chapter in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.